When you need to make temperature measurements on the job, modern technology can help you do it faster and easier than ever. Hi, Anthony from Klein Tools here. Today we're going to tell you about infrared thermometers and where they can be the best option for the job. Infrared digital thermometers, which are sometimes called temperature guns or IR guns because many have a pistol-style grip, work by measuring the infrared or heat energy emitted by things. The warmer an object, the more infrared it emits. To measure temperature, you simply aim the device using its built-in laser pointer and pull the trigger. A special lens and circuitry in the unit sense the amount of infrared the object is emitting, and its temperature is displayed on a digital readout. One major advantage of infrared thermometers is that you can measure temperature at a distance. This is especially useful when the target object is out of reach. For example, overhead electrical or HVAC equipment in a warehouse, or in situations where direct access could be hazardous, such as on live operating industrial equipment. Along with their many capabilities, IR thermometers have some minor limitations as well. For example, they measure objects and surfaces very accurately, but they can't directly measure air temperature. To use an infrared thermometer properly, you need to know that unlike other types of thermometers, IR guns don't measure the temperature of a single point. Rather, they display the average temperature of a circular area centered on the unit's aiming laser dot, and the size of that circle depends on how far away the temperature gun is from the target. Much like shining a flashlight on a wall, the circle is smaller if you're closer in range and larger if you are farther out. How big is the measurement circle? The manufacturer tells you this by specifying a distance to spot ratio for your device. For example, a spot ratio specification of 10:1 means that at a distance of 10 feet, you'll measure the average temperature of a circle 1 foot in diameter. If you cut that distance in half to 5 feet, the measurement circle diameter shrinks by half as well, to 1/2 foot in this example. In general, infrared thermometers are a good option anytime you need to make temperature measurements in hard-to-reach places, or in areas where direct access might be hazardous. You can use them to make safe, at-a-distance measurements of things like transformers, motors, compressors, electrical panels, circuit breakers, valves, vents, ducts, and more. Knowing these basic facts about IR thermometers, you can better decide when and where to use them. Infrared digital thermometers are easy to use once you know how, and now you do.